So we've recently picked up a 2005 Toyota RAV4. When we got it, we were told that it had some motor issues and it probably needed the motor replaced. So we done a compression test on it. It's got 140 psi across all cylinders. There's really no evidence that the motor is gone, but when we plugged in the OBD, it did have the P0300 code for random misfire. And it was misfiring pretty bad. Upon further inspection, we also noticed that there was no exhaust smoke coming out of the muffler. It wasn't even making it there, and we looked at it. There's no holes, it's not rotted. So we decided to take a look at the cat, and on these there's two cats. So there is one on the manifold. This is the aftermarket one. When we took off the old one, this was everything in here was completely shattered and broken, and it couldn't get through the actual second cat, which is right here. And this manifold was actually replaced before. That is not the original, that is an aftermarket. So we replaced this manifold. This is an aftermarket, no brand name. And we replaced the other catalytic converter as well. And the car is idling fine, it's running fine. We're going to replace the whole exhaust now, so we're waiting on the resonator and the new muffler. So if you have a P0300 code on your Toyota and you have spark, because all these ignition coils were replaced, the spark plugs are fine, the motor's fine, make sure to check your catalytic converter.